No sugar, allspice, and full of crunch. This isn't your regular donut. It's the Crunchy Masala Donut, a snack that's crispy, spicy, and totally addictive. Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Crave. Today we are turning the classic donut into something bold and savory, perfect for snack lovers who crave something spicy and fun. We'll start with adding 2 cups of water, some salt to taste, a little bit of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil, a dash of oregano, and some chili flakes. Add 1 cup of suji and mix them all together in a pan and cook it in medium-low flame. Cover it up for a while and your dough is ready. Pour the dough into a bowl and add some chaat masala into it. Mix it all very well. And now let's make our donuts. Grease your hands with some oil, make a small ball and poke a hole through it. Give it a nice mini donut shape and make all of the rest of the donuts in the same way. Now they're all ready to be fried. Fry in hot oil till golden and crisp. Each donut puffs up beautifully with that irresistible crunch. These donuts are totally crunchy, spicy, and snack worthy, the kind of treat that disappears in minutes. Sprinkle some chaat masala onto it and your crunchy masala donuts are all ready to devour. If you love this no sugar allspice twist, hit the like button and share it with your foodie friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Quick Crave for more creative and delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching.